Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to walk you through expanding the brackets topic and show you how to tackle all sort of question on it. Expanding one bracket. How to expand a bracket? Expanding means removing the brackets by multiplication. For example, 3 multiplied by x plus 4. This means 3 multiplied by x plus 3 multiplied by 4. On simplification, we get 3x plus 12. So now we have expanded a bracket. Let's do some more examples. Be careful with signs. Now let's expand this bracket. 2x multiplied by x plus 2x multiplied by minus 5 is equal to 2x square. Remember, x multiplied by x is x square. Minus 2x multiplied by negative 5 gives negative 10x. Minus 3 multiplied by y plus minus 3 multiplied by minus 4, which is equal to negative 3y. Negative 3 multiplied by negative 4 gives positive 12. 3 multiplied by 2d minus 3 plus 4 multiplied by d plus 1. Let's expand and simplify this one. So 3 multiplied by 2d, which is 60. 3 multiplied by negative 3 is negative 9. 4 multiplied by d is 4d plus 4 multiplied by 1 is 4 plus 4. Let's simplify this one. Combine the like terms. 60 plus 4d gives 10d. Minus 9 plus 4 is negative 5. You try this question and share your answer in the comment section. Next, expanding double brackets. Double brackets look like this. This means you are multiplying two binomials. Binomial means each bracket has two terms. Multiply each term in the first bracket with every term in the second bracket. You multiply like this: x multiplied by x equal to x square. X multiplied by 2 is 2x. 3 multiplied by x is 3x. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Now add them all together. We get x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. And simplify this one. This is equal to x square plus 5x plus 6. Okay. So x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 2 is equal to x square plus 5x plus 6. FOIL is a shortcut to remember the steps. F stands for first. that is x multiplied by x. So x plus 3, x plus 2. The first terms are x and x. So this is equal to x square. Then O represent outer. So x and 2, which is equal to 2x. Then I stands for inner, 3 and x. 3 multiplied by x is 3x. Then L stands for last. Last term in this bracket and the last term in this bracket is 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Now add them all together, we get x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6, which is equal to x square plus 5x plus 6. Let's do one more example. Two x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 4. So in FOIL, f represents the first. So multiply the first terms of each bracket. So 2x multiplied by x equal to 2x square. Next, O represent outer, that is 2x multiplied by 4 gives 8x. I represent inner, -1 and x, which is equal to -x. Then last terms are -1 multiplied by 4 equal to -4. Now add together all the term and simplify. 2x square plus 8x minus x minus 4. 2x square. Now combine the x terms. 8x minus x is plus 7x minus 4. Now let's do one more question. X plus 3 the whole square. How to expand this? Rewrite it as a product of two brackets, x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 3. Okay, now expand this one by using FOIL. First term, that is x multiplied by x plus O represent outer term, so x multiplied by 3 plus inner term 3 multiplied by x plus last term 3 multiplied by 3 equal to x square plus 3x plus 3x plus 9. So simplify this one. X square plus 6x plus 9. Try these questions and share your answer in the comment section. Next, expanding triple brackets. An expression like this is called a triple bracket expression. You are multiplying three binomials together, but don't try to multiply all the three at once. Do two at a time. First, let's expand the first two brackets. X plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2. Let's multiply these two. First term, so x multiplied by x is x square plus outer term x multiplied by 2 is 2x plus inner term 1 multiplied by x is x plus the last term 1 multiplied by 2, which is 2. Now let's simplify this one. X square plus 3x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 3. Now how to multiply this one? Multiply each term in the first bracket by the second bracket. That is x square multiplied by x plus 3 plus 3x multiplied by x plus 3 plus 2 multiplied by x plus 3. Now expand the brackets. X square multiplied by x is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x multiplied by x is 3x square plus 9x plus 2x plus 6. Now combine the like terms. X cube plus 3x square plus 3x square is 6x square plus 9x plus 2x is 11x plus 6. Let's do one more example. X minus 3 the whole square multiplied by 2x plus 5. First, let's rewrite this as x minus 3 multiplied by x minus 3 multiplied by 2x plus 5. Be careful with the signs. Let's multiply the first two brackets. So x multiplied by x is x square. Then x multiplied by negative 3 is negative 3x. Then negative 3 multiplied by x is negative 3x. Negative 3 multiplied by negative 3 is positive 9. And this bracket is multiplied by 2x plus 5. X square minus 6x plus 9 multiplied by 2x plus 5. So expand the bracket. X square multiplied by 2x plus 5 minus 6x multiplied by 2x plus 5 plus 9 multiplied by 2x plus 5. 2x cube plus 5x square minus 6x multiplied by 2x is 12x square minus 30x plus 18x plus 9 times 5 is 45. Now combine the like terms carefully. 2x cube 5x square minus 12x square is negative 7x square. Negative 30x plus 18x is negative 12x plus 45. Try these questions and share your answer in the comment section. I hope you found this video useful. Check out the description box for the links to other IGCSE crash courses and topical solution videos.